on the lights.
Which light?
Who off light?
Oh boy. This thing where you just asked me now happen for school one day for university. Where Curtis enter inside class for broad daylight.
Yeah.
And you should go on our lecturer and they said, off the light. We call the one say which light you want me to off?
I beg you just join us still BOBOS here and you day, yes. So, yes, why I say. Say every night when they come Sunday, all their church and things, we say consign BOBOS them and babies them. I get one of my criminal for house, then I can get one dude, you know. He call himself Fred.
Ex-convict.
He call himself Fred.
Yes,
yeah. And when I know say last week Friday and Monday, we be yesterday, Showman lost. We don't see him. Today, Nana Shakara don't lost.
And
let's see Missy Trouble.
Let me. I hear what you talk about me. Say when I say I go.
Where you go? Explain yourself.
You say you here now.
Well, let me tell you. I want to tell you point blank and categorically what happened to me. You know, say on Thursday when we leave this bar, Naim Shakara introduced me. Say one girl they like me. You know that?
Now Shakara introduce you.
That girl will get very big backside. So, you know, he has a very nice and generous fellow that I am. So I just say, okay, let's go a partying, you know. We finished. It was too late for her to go home. So she ended up in my house. My brother. That Calabar girl from Thursday till today. She no gree man leave also. Why Shakara no dey here be say na Shakara come house to come rescue me. So the guy say the only reason why she go let me go na if Shakara go stay. Hey! Now Shakara is in my house, so they don't lock the door. I bet you will not see Shakara today and tomorrow. Hey! So it be like say we go rotate, you go also help.
You are who?
You say.
Shakara, the guy said 2 days with Shakara. If after 2 days, anybody pick up.
I am a responsible young man. Yeah. I'm not like you people.
What do you mean responsible?
You are. How you do your baby?
Which way, Daddy?
What's going on?
I'm Ontop.
We are chilling.
We are chilling.
These people, they be our opposite rival.
I think say what does it will be your opposite sex?
Actually,
is it true?
Actually, they are opposite. We are the men, they are the female.
They are the female.
Yes. We enter you put from behind without any condom, without we just use Vaseline and.
Hey, come! I don't. I'm a hammy fashion man. Cook it.
This today and tomorrow we are finishing man talk. We are today and tomorrow.
Yes,
we don't show.
Today, I want us to talk about something interesting.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
When you date, you leave. How many exes do you have?
You know if you know.
Oh, I plenty.
Only men like me, and just get like maybe like I can count 2.
You know the thing about showman is if he break up, he still they do the same thing.
What do you mean? I don't know.
Follow up. He do follow up.
Let me tell you. I get a very good relationship with anybody I have something to do with. I don't let them. Okay. Even when we break up, you understand, we still make up.
You still make up.
Too much. I'm a bad guy now. I just get rhymes to do.
I feel you.
Break up to make up. To deck up.
To wake up.
To wake up. To lake up, break up.
You try.
Rake up.
You try.
Oh boy.
I mean, simple. One thing why I want to talk about today, they're very, very simple. If you feel allow, maybe after what you don't do with your babe, you know, maybe let's say for instance, either on a don't marry or don't do together, you feel allow your babe ex or your own ex to come visit you in our house.
Then
wow.
No, you know, say get some people when they don't break up finish, then go still there on the friendship level.
No.
Their exes still visit them, you know, that kind of thing. You go there allow.
That kind of thing they happen. But for me to don't get wife, you know, and the ex can't waiting they can't do first of all, waiting they find. She a business partner.
No, but the ex will can't be friend with your wife, self.
If you can't be friend with your wife,
what now? Waiting how?
But it happen.
If your ex become friend with your current babe,
yes,
it don't be for you.
What if you're your wife? What if you're your wife?
Because Because she gonna give your current babe gist on things wey don't happen.
And how you be dey do your own.
How you be dey do am. How you go fit treat am if something happen. She go dey tell that one your secret.
But I believe say no be big deal now. May you just dey friendly with your ex and your ex they come around once in a while. No be saying a regular thing. Once in a while. No be every time.
For this part of the world we dey. Babes and guys, we know they trust ourselves.
My brother, forget the issue about this part of the world.
We know they trust ourselves.
Imagine you have somebody. Imagine you have somebody like Chris Brown and Rihanna. As Chris Brown don't break up with Rihanna.
Yeah.
Then you call here say Rihanna come visit Chris Brown house. You won't tell me say Chris Brown. My boy Crazy.
They fit decide to write song together as they talk.
I know you,
they go sing, you go sing.
For you.
You know, they fit decide to write song together.
One thing where I know be say old firewood. Old firewood. Now they catch fire pass. Old firewood.
But wait, you know say wait, make ask some question. What if that your ex? Truly, what if that your ex? Now the one will be say he still want to crank you, he still dey into you.
And that one they even call them more dangerous. You call that one dangerous because you don't go
always come your house. Come your house finish, pretend. Let's say for instance, maybe him and your wife now like choir members.
Yeah.
You know.
Now that kind of one go even fit set you up quickly.
How person fit take up that kind?
My brother, you know get how.
Like this kind showman now. You know how showman go crank.
You be like say you don't chop.
Showman go
someone
crank.
Like showman. He go tell am say no worry.
Don't worry.
My brother, you just come this back for the first time. Do not spoil my integrity, please.
Showman myself go commot. You know, if your wife don't come, just call the babe or text am or ping am say man, she's going out to just turn up.
Turn up!
He go turn up.
I don't like the word. I like the word turn up. But amazingly, no. I'm not that kind of person. And but you see, even the Bible say lead us not into temptation. But deliver us from evil. Kayama. Don't let me go further.
You are going spiritual.
I don't want to go spiritual. If you don't feel carry meat, give dog.
We no go chop am.
We no go chop am. Especially if your ex is very pretty. And even your wife, any woman that allows I'm speaking the mind of you people.
No. Speak for yourself.
Everybody knows I'm speaking
for yourself.
Amazing.
Speak for yourself.
Amazing. All of you know say the day you na hear say showman don't marry. That is the end.
The day you say showman don't give like 12 girls belle. He say he don't marry.
On the contrary, I am the only person that you people have said has not been able to impregnate any woman. Abi?
Really?
What is really? You have said it many times here.
Now wait till they tell you.
Is there any girl that's come here and said, "Showman, you don't give me belle"?
Now wait till the girls they tell.
But you have cases of don't change it. You have cases of people
No.
And it can even boil to this fact. What if your ex get belle for you? And she come with the call the house with your but she don't agree say I don't go do it again no. Now you don't marry. She call house now with the pikin. You know just to visit because your wife now your friend.
Can you imagine?
My brother, I will tell Tommy to don't leave my house. Don't leave my house.
No be even leave house. I go make sure say I turn my wife back against you. Now me and my wife, I go make sure.
In some situations, it's very hard though.
I go make sure say I make my wife see reasons why that's my ex will be in friend supposed to stop to come for the house.
Because it's a simple thing.
I tell you one thing. If now ex will be say overlove you, you can't jilt am. Go. You can't finally
go set you up.
If she don't set you up,
but do you know? Ugo, do you know?
Yes, now. Yes,
Edewo, do you know some women will actually tell you. Say, if you really love me, if you know you love me, then this is a test. You are going to stay with this person. You go do like this. Some women will tell you that and say and just try to check and see if you go fit, hold yourself together. So in that situation, what you go do? You know, see your wife. No, say that your ex be this.
Yeah.
But she always invite them, they come. What if your wife and that your ex now lesbian partners and be?
No,
you understand? You say you want to turn your ex
away. Before we go enter that package, maybe rush the street. Maybe we go for street. When we come back, you go know if the partner or the ex.
Now lesbian. Oh, sorry.
Jesus.
Now
We are coming back.
For waiting now, which kind of thing be that? That one go hard though. Why my partner ex will come visit me?
That one, it hard is small as a man where I be.
Why not let it come? If you want to come, no problem.
That one no go make sense now. My ex, no, no go make sense. I beg.
But then it depends on the level of relationship we don't date after we they don't stop to the date themselves. If they still they run business together, and then she make me understand, say no problems. But the person if he can't check am when I know they around.
Man no go see wetin go kill and go allow am make him enter in house. If say two of them they have something to do together, even when we never marry. You know be say if I marry and finish, the person go come enter my house. No, me I no go take am o. I go look am somehow.
No, it's not possible. Because if it cause problem between me and my wife, because there are some men that are jealous lovers. So not everybody can admit that in his family.